We could have been anywhere in the world, but there is a divine reason, an unseen force, a magnetic pull that brought us together to experience something truly magical. Thailand's first national retreat, with the beautiful theme Following the Father, being an angel. This wonderful retreat took place at Nordica from the 3rd to the 5th of January 2025. Each moment felt like a precious gift as we celebrated the remarkable spiritual family Shiv Baba has created for us. Together, we refreshed ourselves, soaking in the unique virtues and specialities shared by Brahmins who came from all parts of Thailand. Around 70 beautiful souls came together as one, and all the tasks were sweetly managed by all the centers. Translation was beautifully managed by the family from Pintu Center. Food and cleanliness was lovingly managed by the Chiang Mai family. Activities were planned by Sintu and Sukhumvit Center. Transportation or accommodation was taken care by Ban Om, and the admin job was well done by the Nordica's team. We had Patani and Sintu Center join us from online.
Everyone number one family, one Baba.
It was an immense joy to welcome Brother Yogesh, who was conducting the entire retreat. He is the most valuable gems of the Brahmakumaris, and he conducted fun and deep workshops which reinforced the faith on the self, drama and Baba. We sang songs, enjoyed the stars, and also got to see glimpses of Dadi and Dadas through Brother Yogesh. His simplicity and humility touched many hearts. The retreat wasn't just an event, it was a homecoming of hearts. A space that had remained empty for years was filled with love, respect, and the shared zeal to complete the Supreme's task. And then on the 6th and 7th of January, after the retreat, our gathering continued with a beautiful picnic where we planted a mango tree with the vision of hope, courage, and wonder for 2025. In all those moments, it wasn't just about what we were doing. It was about what it symbolized. Roots of unity, branches of purpose, and fruits of service. Embodying Baba's wisdom and walking hands in hand towards our highest potential. I'm so thankful to Baba, to Drama, and to myself for being part of this extraordinary journey. Om Shanti.
हमारी बाबा कर दो वो पूरी आके मिल जाओ प्यारे बाबा हम बच्चों से आके